Alright. What? Yeah, like that's weird. Yeah, that's like weird. I never saw that. I never saw that before. Wait, hold on. Oh, in all those other rooms, can we click all them? Let's go in another one. Oh, this one's weird. No, we killed a patient. Somebody. Who killed me? Somebody killed a damn patient again. I don't know how. I do not really know how to kill them. Okay. Who is this guy? Maybe. I hate that noise. Like, it makes a ding ding ding. I don't know. What the? What was that? Door shut off. What the hell? Yeah. Wait. That black creature and that patient. Wait. Let's go in there and see. Why does this guy keep shutting my door? Bro, can you please stop it right now?
I'm back.
You?
Yeah. I have a microphone on screen recording. All right.
Right, you want to be my friend, okay?
There's like a baby.
You're my friend.
That's the secret of the game. That's the secret of the game. Let's just explore more secrets.
Alright, where are you? Oh, where the heck did you just go?
I'm right here.
There you are.
Here. I'll find secrets. I found
That was
secrets.
weird.
I'm gonna find secrets.
This is room 7.
Yeah, I know. There's probably somewhere right. It's probably a note right here. I see.
Hold on, is there like a letter on that?
There's a letter. We found a letter on the back of that that purple thingy. You press that like weird noise. It's kind of creepy, but I.
Yeah, like I don't.
Yeah. It's just like it's just behind this wall. It's just behind this wall.
Hey, I saw someone in the corner and it appeared.
Wait. Oh, it's just a glitch.
I literally just saw something.
Wait a minute. I dropped some here, bro. I literally just got random things. Look, click on it. I bet it's just a glitch, right? It's just a glitch.
Hold on. Look at this. This is only for only. Look, there's organ.
There's hearts.
Finding organ.
Hearts.
Yeah, like whatever hearts.
Wait, what if you press the buttons here? What if you press
the
the red and green buttons? What happens if you press the red and green buttons? Like press it, just like touch it. Just like touch it. Yeah. Nothing. What about here?
Can't touch it.
Nothing. You can type on a keyboard?
I don't know what those buttons.
You know what?
Hold on.
Oh, Ratty, I have to treat Ratty.
But that patient. Who the hell is this?
That's Ratty. That's not an anomaly. That's Ratty. That's Ratty. I'm gonna treat him.
Wait, what are we gonna do to him?
Light blue, red, green, light blue,
Blue,
red,
what blue?
green. Okay. Wait. Don't touch it, guys. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. I forgot it. You know what? I forgot it. You hear that? Did you hear that? Alright, guys, don't touch it. See that? Don't touch it. It's my turn.
What the hell is that?
Hey, you're gonna die from there.
What's going on?
You're gonna die from there.
I want to go in there.
It's not. It's just.
Maybe that's what happened.
I don't want you to
There's
die.
nothing.
I don't want you to die.
Have you heard that?
I don't want you to die
Have
in
you
game.
heard? That's the doctor's friend. The doctor.
Wait, that's the doctor's friend?
That's the doctor's really. Yeah, that's the doctor's friend. That actually is.
Did you notice a secret? Wait.
That's his friend. That is actually
Wait.
his friend.
There's secrets over here. There's probably secrets over here.
Oh, you can pick up the fire. Hey, look, you can pick up the fire.
I know. There's probably secrets over here. Don't hug them. No. Oh, I thought it said something for a sec.
If you look at the very corner, you will see a fire station, and then you can pick it up.
Wait, go to room 5 for a sec. Go to room 5. I bet there's something in room 5. I bet there's something in room 5.
Yes, there is.
It's
Or nothing. No.
it's safe. But
No, that's like a. Yeah, for like a gun maybe. I think there.
Here.
Let's open it. See what it.
Let me treat this patient. We have to find a key. It belongs to Ratu. It belongs to Ratu. That black rat. I wasn't talking to you. It was the black rat that came into the hospital. Ratu.
Yeah, that rat was stupid.
Yeah, rat.
Oh.
Wait, you call that rat stupid? That's like my favorite character in Animal Hospital. There's someone left.
Yeah, that's my favorite character. Actually, I think that's
All right,
my favorite
we have to go.
character.
We have to go. Move, y'all.
Let's see that page shit. That's in the heart room thing. Who was this guy? Oh, it's just seen that guy again.
My arm.
It looks like we're on Dave's Creek. It said that we're on Dave's Creek. What the?
I need this. There's beef on shit.
Why
I
was
got
this
the
whole
table.
thing just popping up again? You know this
How many money you got? How many money you got? So how many money?
I do not know.
You don't know?
I have. I do not know.
Oh, the cheese is already sold out. I'm sorry. Sorry, bruh.
We might unlock the taser. Hey, listen. Are you listening?
Huh?
So, if we have like enough money, we can unlock that taser.
Yeah.
We can unlock it.
We want. And also, we're gonna have a gun too. Hold on, I'm drinking water.
Why is this game having scary stuff yet? That's weird. No other patients are showing up.
Huh? What's up? Ooh, noon.
Hold on, this guy.
She might tase one of us. Hey, stop it. You want scissors,
Stop
bro?
with the taser.
Hey, stop walking around with a taser. You're threatening.
It says closed.
Oh.
It said that. We're not letting you come in.
Dude. Why does this nurse have a taser?
Wait, what?
Why is this nurse always holding a taser? That sounds like a threat to me. Hey!
You can see there's a
Stop.
letter.
Ayo, chill. Sweetheart Summer, stop. Sweetheart Summer.
Sweetheart stomach.
Yeah. You need to stop.
Put that taser away.
Yeah, put that taser away.
Put
Put that taser away. Put that taser away.
Yeah, put that taser away.
Put the taser away. Oh, you trying to let him in, bro?
Put it away right now.
Hey, put it away. Put it away, sir. Put it away.
Put it away.
Oh.
Oh, no, this.
Hey! I'm gonna give him the wrong treatment.
He's
I'm gonna cut them.
Watch his head. What?
Never mind. She might get mad at me, bro. She might get mad at me. Did you just... Hey! Stop that. Stop. Oh.
Put out the window.
She left. I think she left.
No.
Here's some
Let's let
pooping on the
this dude
floor.
fall over the floor.
Wait, can I tell you something? Oh, wait, wait. I'm slow.
Look at him. Hurry.
Oh, don't look up. Here. I would give him the wrong treatment. Here. Wait. Huh? Wait, stop. Don't. Put that away. Oh, never mind.
No. You gotta use eye drops.
Yeah, you gotta reuse eye
You gotta
drops.
use eye drops.
Wait, can I tell you something? Wait,
Maybe
look, watch this. Watch this, bro. Watch this. I'm gonna stab them. I'm gonna cut them. I'm gonna kill them. Look, watch this. 3, 2, 1. I killed them.
Bro.
That's an anomaly. That's an anomaly.
You can look at this guy now.
Huh? That's an anomaly.
Is your brain okay in this brain? Is your brain
Wait.
okay?
I have to go.
Oh, that's your money. This is the guy. What
You look okay?
I got $4. I got $4.
Yep.
That guy's still there.
Second.
That guy's literally still there.
You look good.
I'm done.
Let me see what the difference is. Good.
We're number 1.
Alright, free to go. What? What's up?
Look.
Oh no. That's you?
Look at that little chicken. Looking at me.
Is he crying? He's crying, right? He come up here just to cry, huh?
I don't know why that guy's.
I'll do something.
I don't know why. Still there. That's weird. I don't know what's that guy.
Can I ask you one question?
Yeah.
Have you watched the Secrets of the Game? I will just uncover an unknown anomaly. Like when they poop slime out and you would just keep it there for a long time, it will just come out as the slime monster.
Oh.
It belongs to the Secrets of the Game. It belongs to the Secrets of the Game. You belong.
This little rat keeps staying there. Oh, rat.
Hey, why is it
Look, it's still
closed?
there.
How many patients do we
That little rat
treat?
guy.
We need 4 patients. It's okay. Don't
Wait,
be
4
mad.
more and that's it. Wait, so we're just gonna do 4 patients and that's it?
Yeah, we'll just do 4 patients. Wait.
That's weird.
Wait. I gotta do this. Red, yellow, blue, light blue, red, yellow,
I'm back.
blue, light blue.
I'm doing this. Do it again.
No, we're not doing it again. You're gonna die. No, you're gonna die, and I don't know how to revive you. Oh, fire's in the surgery room. Be careful.
I get it out.
Yeah. Don't be mad, you guys. It'll be fine. It'll be fine.
Yeah, put it out.
You look good. You look good.
Hey,
I'm sorry, you look
you
good.
see this fire picture? See, I use this for my water.
There's only 2 patients
You
left.
won't need a fire extinguisher.
I'm excited
You
for.
won't need a fire extinguisher.
Sir, get out.
You!
Wait. Clean it. Wait. You want to uncover the secrets, or you just pick that, or you just clean that? Clean that or uncover the secrets. What's your choice? What? You're just gonna
Uncover the secret.
uncover the.
Uncover the secrets.
Okay, make sure that we just leave it here. We just leave it here. What's your sanity? What's your sanity? Your sanity is important. You're gonna die soon if you just don't take care of your sanity. You know you're gonna die soon.
What? Wait, if your brain is like, what happens if your brain gets like little low? Your brain is like, my brain is like low on this game. It's low. I don't know why.
Oops. Oh. My eyes hurt from
What
doing
else
this.
has got me?
Get your heart checked out.
What is that noise?
What noise?
Is that even coming from? I heard like a music sound. It's you or
What
is it
music sound?
others?
Well, did you clean the slime? Did you clean the slime?
Not yet.
You do some
I'll
surgery.
be right now.
Don't kill a patient, sir. Don't kill a patient.
It's not there no more. Somebody cleaned it already.
Wait.
What
No.
is that something?
You
What happened?
ran out of time. You're supposed to do some surgery. You have to do it fast.
No, I ran out of time. No.
Oh man. Well, that's too late, obviously.
No, we got one more patient.
What?
Hurry!
All right, it's okay.
Get all the stuff, hurry! Get all of it.
If one more person dies, then if oh,
It's game over.
you get the herbs over here.
Game over.
Get the herbs.
Hold on, let me grab
One more patient dies, then game over. Okay. What about we vote?
Okay.
There you go.
Sure, I
Yeah, somebody
go
is
to
doing-
first patient. I ran it. The first patient's okay.
There. Be careful. Be careful. Watch out. Watch out. Watch out. Watch out.
Okay.
All right, go. Reception. Go to the reception. Go. Run. Before it gets out. Come on, go. Hurry up. Go. Hurry up.
Okay. Come in.
All right, take the cameras. Hello? All right, go. Get inside.
What?
Get inside. Take the cameras.
Wait, what's wrong? What's wrong?
What if he becomes a skinwalker? Wait for it. Just wait for it.
I grabbed my phone.
Wait for it.
What?
Come on, wait for it.
Come on.
All right. Get out. Yeah, he's fine. Don't worry.
What, that
He's a
patient?
normal guy. Just don't worry. Let's go treat the other patients.
Where's all the other players?
The other players, they all left. I'm sorry. At least there's two people in here.
He said I don't know there.
Okay. Here, I'll get. You can get the cereal. I'll treat the other patients.
I give it to you. I gave it to him. I told him that
Here.
he needs fluid.
All right, get out. Hurry up, fast. As fast as you can.
Like, in the
What's your sanity? Oh, I died. I'm dead. Okay, I wake up. What's your sanity? What's your sanity percentage?
Wait, what happens if your brain is on? Like,
You
what
die.
happens
If
if your brain is on?
0?
Wait, you're. Yeah, what happens if your brain number's on 0?
That means you die. That means you're gonna
What
die.
happens if it's on?
If it goes all the way to 0, that means you're gonna die.
Well, right now my is on 2.7. It's on 2.7. 2.7. I do not know what's wrong.
Is that the same person? Yeah, that's the same person.
You want to play another game after I die? You want to play another game after I die?
Don't worry. Is your sanity percent? What's your brain percent? What's your brain percent? Like
It's
just.
on 2.7 right now.
It's in 7? It's in 7? It's
No, it's on. No, it's right now it's on 2.6 now. It's on 2.6.
Oh, you need to drink some coffee. Go. Come on. You need to take care of your brain. Like you're like let's see that. You need to get some you need to get some you need some coffee. You need some coffee.
Make some more.
You need some coffee. You have to wait for your
Yeah, I
coffee.
already drank some. No, I'm gonna make it like go up.
What do you mean by
Make
that?
sure the numbers all good. Are you about to die?
No. What's? Wait, you see the down corner. Stop. He might turn into an anomaly soon. Oh no, never mind. Oh no, not anomaly attacks. I hate anomaly attacks. Come on, you need to drink some coffee fast as you can. You need coffee. Come on, you need coffee.
Need some coffee. I go to buy it. I have to buy it. I'm not buying nothing.
Why? You're gonna die.
Hurry, give me some coffee.
Alright.
No, give me some. Just
wait.
No, I am coming.
Hold up a sec. Stop. Don't go outside.
Coming in.
Alright.
Hurry, go to hell.
Did you say go to hell?
Uh-oh. No. Wait, I don't know what's going on. The watch is flipping. Does that mean that the watch flipped?
Come on, go get some coffee fast as you can. It's gonna be free soon. Go get some coffee, hurry up. I don't want you to die.
No, I cannot buy
Alright, run! Run!
Yeah. No, it's on. It's
32, or 31. It's probably 30 seconds. Oh, you already have coffee. Drink, like... Oh my goodness. Yellow. Blue. Red. Yellow. Blue. Red. Fast! Hurry up! Go! Oh no. You wanna friend me?